Resolute or not resolute? That is indeed the question, no? I stopped making resolutions a long time ago because I just couldn't seem to commit to them. Why waste my time really? I would much rather set realistic, achievable, actionable goals, those I know I can work with. Over the past few days, I've been in a reflective mood, trying to spot areas in my life that need improvements. While scrolling through my phone, I saw a few people that I no longer communicate with, and I think it's time to delete them from my device in the same way I've deleted them from my life. I have always been that dependable person everyone relied on to get things done, kind of like their plan B, a yes man of sorts, a people pleaser. People tended to like me because they could use me. I allowed that, or rather, I used to allow that. Things changed when my therapist opened my eyes to the power of the word no. I became the most despised person ever. And you know what? I totally loved it. It was such a sweet relief. I no longer felt burdened or obligated to anyone. I loved the new me, and I plan to dote on her. I have lost a few people since then: family, friends, associates, co workers. That is absolutely positively a okay. Truthfully, I have no problems detaching from or cutting leeches and non progressive elements out of my life. Good riddance to bad rubbish, as the saying goes, eh?